Hi everybody! Right, before I jump in and show you how to make this here headscarf, I just want to quickly say that I've never done anything like this before. This is my first DIY and therefore it is not going to be perfect. It is definitely rough around the edges. I did make some real clangers, so please be kind. That said, I do think what I've managed to throw together is quite helpful, so fingers crossed you'll find it helpful too. So here it is. So there you have it. This is the hairband I was making in that video, in case that wasn't clear. If you have a go at making one yourself and you found the instructions helpful, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you got on in the comments. I'd be really, really keen to know if the instructions that I gave were clear and actually helpful. So yeah, do let me know, that'd be really fab. And that's it. Next week I'm planning to post another video which has a bit more of a behind the scenes general life gubbins vibe to it. It's basically going to be what I've been working on in the background, which has been mainly the back garden, which is finished, thank God. And yeah, just sharing the good, the bad and the ugly with you, and trust me, there has been some ugly. But until then, have a great week. Bye bye.